Hello everyone, so I'm back. I just want to give you a little update about what is happening in my life lately. So it's been more than a week since makabalik kami galing Ilocos, and ngayon lang ulit akong makapag-vlog because I'm not feeling well this past few days. I'm not sure if you can tell it by the sound of my voice. Parang medyo inuubot sipon kasi ako. Kaya yun, wala akong mga vlog lately. But I saw Regine Velasquez the other day. Wait lang. Okay, so last September 11, that was Sunday, there's this event na ginanap sa SM City Lipa, sponsored by Smart and PLDT, and it's actually a Regine series. It's a mini concert series na ginanap sa mga malls sa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas, and yun, nagpunta ako dun sa event na yon, and I saw maraming mga guests doon sa naging concert series ni Regine. I was able to see yung male dancers ng Itbulaga. I'm not sure about the name of the group, but I think there's Bay something. So yeah, they did some dance performance. And the event was hosted by Icy Mendoza and this other girl. I didn't get her name, but yeah, they opened the show. They hosted the show.
Pero ito actually sa mga humahanga sa kanya, pero sobrang music din. Yes. Was his songbird talaga? Parang baka naman guys, actually.
Also, Michael Pangilinan. I'm not sure if Michael Pangilinan nga yung singer na yun. Pero siya yung kumatanong, pare, mahal mo daw ako. Yun, siya. Nandun siya. Yung lalaban na Miss Universe sa 2017, nandun din.
Of course, sa lahat ng mga subscribe sa PLDT, please subscribe now kasi we will be having a vote online for Miss Universe, so I'm hoping for your support.
Yung isa pang lalaban ng International Beauty Pageant, I think Binibining Pilipinas winner.
Beautiful, Binibining Pilipinas, Grand International, beautiful Miss Nicole Gomez. Parang baka naman for Miss Nicole.
Ando din pala si Regina, yung impersonator ni Regine Velasquez. Grabe, ang taas ng boses niya. Nangihit niya yung mga high notes ni Regine. She did 2 songs. Parinig ko sa inyo. And I was also able to see Jonalyn Veray, who is now Jonah, nung lumipat siya sa Channel 2.
Hello!
And finally, I saw Regine Velasquez perform. So, nandun pa rin yung kilabot factor. Taglay niya pa rin yung kilabot factor na kikilabutan ka sa tuwing kakanta siya ng mga high notes. Ano yung mafe-feel nyo na tatayo yung mga balahibo ng braso nyo. Tsaka yung sa batok. Yun, na-experience ko yun noong napanood ko siya. And since first time ko lang siyang napanood mag-perform live, talagang tawang-tawa ako sa kanya. So, pakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga na-experience ko habang nandun ako sa concert.
Allowing me to do this tour.
traffic sa SM Lipa and daming tao. Grabe guys, yung boses ni Regine wala pa rin siya kakupas-kupas. Anyway, ngayon ang gagawin ko naman is mamibili ako ng mga groceries kasi wala na akong yogurt sa bahay. So pupunta muna ako ng SM supermarket to buy, you know, some stuff that I need para sa bahay. Dahil pa rin tao, tinitingnan nga ako ng mga tao sa paligid. Awkward. Okay guys, so nandito pa rin ako ngayon sa SM City Lipa and while I'm waiting, playing Pokemon Go. And yeah, kachat ko ngayon si Pao. And she's sending me a message. Sabi niya pinapanood niya daw ngayon yung mga videos ko sa YouTube. So Pao, thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So yeah, that is it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye! Guys, tingnan nyo, may rainbow sa malapit. Ayun o. Dito lang siya, sa barangay namin. There. See that?